जिसे पाकिस्तानी अवाम ने मुंतखब किया। धांधली के दावों पर मुकम्मल तहकीकात चाहते हैं। तर्जुमान अमरीकी महकमा खारजा मैथ्यू मिलर कहते हैं यूरोपीय यूनियन, बरतानिया और दीगर मुल्कों ने भी पाकिस्तानी हुकूमत से खदशात का इजहार किया। पाकिस्तानी हुकूमत से कहा है वो इंतखाबात के नताइज का एहतराम करें।
Congratulate the Pakistani people, first of all, for participating on the election on Thursday. Continue to make clear is that whoever the Pakistani people choose to represent them, we will work with that government. The claims of interference and fraud that we have seen raised, we want to ensure are fully investigated by Pakistan's legal system, and we will be continuing to monitor that in the days ahead. We did express concerns publicly. We also expressed those concerns privately and joined the EU, the UK, and other countries in doing so. With some irregularities that we saw in the process, we've conveyed the need for the Pakistani government to respect the will of the election, condemn political and election-related violence and restrictions on internet and cell phone service. Those negatively impacted the electoral service.